Let's make apple walnut cake. Now the ingredients I'm going to show here are enough for about one normal sized tray. So first you need 4 eggs, you're going to need half a cup of sugar, you need half a cup of oil over here, then we have about 200 grams of yogurt, we have a cup of semolina, also we have a cup of shredded walnuts over here, and last but not least, about 4 big apples. First, you have to wash your apples and then it's time to peel them, so we're going to use this peeler over here, but of course you could use a knife if you want to. Just make sure that whenever you're peeling them and cutting them, you don't actually use the insides of the apple because we don't want that inside our dessert. Now they should be looking something like this, that's what we're going to use. Next, you have to grate the apples, or of course you could shred them as well, completely up to you. Just make sure you get them into smaller pieces like this. Also, if they get a bit brownish like this, don't worry, that's perfectly natural. Additionally, we're also going to use a little bit of rum. We're going to use some vanilla extract over here. And of course, we have some baking powder here. There's like a packet of 5 grams. That's going to be sufficient. So now it's finally time to start. First, we have to separate egg whites from egg yolks and put them into separate bowls like you can see over here. Next, we're gonna use the hand mixer and first mix these egg whites over here. For better consistency, put in a little bit of sugar as well, and they should be looking something like this. Now, right after, you have to go straight into the egg yolks over here, and this is where we're actually going to put the rest of our sugar. Just make sure to keep adding it slowly. Don't add all of it at once, because of course we want that nice consistency. Now, whenever you're done with this, mixture should be looking something like that. Right after our sugar, we're going to put in the oil, so of course pour it slowly and just keep on mixing in the process. Don't pour everything at once, and basically at this point all the liquid ingredients are going to be put in the first part of our cooking process. What follows next is our 200 grams of yogurt, and of course you have to mix this as well. This is roughly the consistency you should be going for when doing this. And of course, after all of that, you put in your mixture of dry ingredients that are left. We have our walnuts, our semolina, and the baking powder. And of course, make sure you only put a little bit at first, then mix it, and then put the rest. And whenever that's mixed, you have to put in your vanilla extract as well at the very last step. Now we're going to put in our last 3 ingredients. We have our grated apples, our egg whites, and then a bit of rum. First, you put in a bit of these apples, and then you basically mix it a bit. Here, you do not need the mixer anymore. You could use a spatula or maybe like a spoon, whatever you want to use. And then you put in the egg whites like that, and of course, the rum as well at the last point. Then you have to put a bit of oil inside your tray and just spread it out evenly with a spatula, just like this. Make sure all the tray is covered. And then you have to put in, of course, our mixture, so just like that. And of course, it goes without saying, but spread this out evenly as well. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius and put your cake in there, and after about 55 minutes, this now should be baked. Take it out, make sure you don't get burnt, make sure you actually use something to put it out like that, and there we go. Now we're also going to make a chocolate topping. We only need 2 ingredients, a bit of butter and a bit of chocolate. Make sure you put this into a pot on very low temperature and keep mixing it until it melts, okay? So it's important that it's actually on a very low temperature and that you don't stop mixing, and you should get something like this when it's ready, and you can go ahead and just pour it over your cake. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.